plus 1 is 2. Snorkel. Hi lovelies, long time no hairdo. So today I'll be making my hair DIY style, and as you can see, my hair is parted into different sections. So I went to my friend's house 2 days ago and I told her to please help me part my hair so that it's easy for me to install the braids. So she helped me part them into different sizes, and this is what I've been carrying to work for the past 2 days. So today I decided to at least install the braids. Okay, so stay with me as we do that. But before then, I want to oil my scalp because I've not oiled it in, I think, in 2 days, and I noticed that my scalp gets really dry nowadays. So and that's a wrap on this one. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.